Hello, I'm back. So I had two visitors at the same time. How exciting. It's my mom and one of my best friends. And I love my best friend Jen. I know my best friend Jen since high school. And it's one of those friendships that I'm very, very grateful to have because her life and mine have intertwined without us like really trying. Her relationship to me has been one where we went to high school together on plan, then we ended up in the same college on plan, and then we like end up living like within 5 minutes of each other. And it's like I might see her, I don't know, twice a year, three times a year, because she has her life, I have my own. However, it's a low maintenance relationship, and we're both super highly energetic, and like we get each other so fast. And I just love having friendships like this because as we get older, we have family and careers. So we need friends that understand that although we're not there constantly 24/7, we are there for each other when we need each other at the right time. And like she brought me, look at this is lemon balm. So I'm running out of lemon balm, and she is a herbalist herself, so she was like, well, I have plenty of lemon balm, and lemon balm is Melissa officinalis, and she is so good for anxiety. Hi, Diana. Oh my god, just smelling her will like, it's just so beautiful, and she's so easy to grow. So I'm gonna be transplanting this beautiful plant when I move, because I'm moving, and this is really exciting that I am having this plant to bring to my new home. Yay, look at lemon balm. And she said there's also some chives. You can see this. Hello there. So I am really excited. Diana, did you go to the MSPCA to get some mullein? I hope you did. I am excited that you are so into plants, and I get super excited when people start working with plant medicine, because these are our herbal allies. Plant medicine is people's medicine. These are not drugs, they're plants, and they're so what I learned today is that plants act like a sphere. They don't act like drugs. Drugs are arrows, and they are to, like you take an aspirin for a headache. They're very direct arrow energy. Plants are a sphere, so you may take some skull cap, and the skull cap may help you to not have a migraine or things like that, of that nature. You take some herbs to nourish you, because there's different kind of herbs: nourishing, tonifying, or adaptogenic, sedative and stimulating, and poisonous herbs. So there's 4 categories, and learning about herbs, it's huge. It's a subject that you have to learn little by little. Every day I'm learning more, and so I get excited about topics that have a big expansion, and that our ancestors provided so much knowledge for us, so that we don't make mistakes and take some plants that could kill us, right? So this is really exciting that we get to continue exploring the powers of plants and keep teaching others, because this is our way to love each other, right? To share knowledge and to keep living in this earth, protecting Mother Nature. So I am really excited about my love magic potion that I just also received from Lisa Erickson. Shout out to Lisa Erickson at the magickbrand.com. And so I'm really excited to read more about this magic elixir. Okay, so Deanna, this is what this magic elixir is supposed to help me with, because I have had a lot of heart opening during this time, and I'm working through a lot of traumas that along our journey, sometimes different chakras in our bodies get closed up. And I have been telling some of my friends that I have felt like my whole life I've pretty much been cut down, that I operate from like my throat, third eye, and crown. I have been disconnected from my heart and my solar and my root chakra, because as I was a child, I wasn't seen or heard, and like there was traumas that happened and got suppressed. So I learned to kind of cut myself from emotions, and emotions are messengers, right? They tell you things. And so when you're not connected to your angers, to your sadness, you're not able to explore those sentiments, then you're pretty much don't have a tool or guidance. You're kind of just operating all out of head. And the longest journey is from your head to your heart, right? So this connection from here is the longest journey that I have to make, which is super hard. And I'm trying really hard to connect, so that when I speak from the heart versus from the head. Because when I speak from the head, I am very mercurial, very cut, very direct, and it's good, and then it's also not good, because we need what's called tactic, right? To be more gentle, like a plant, right? Like I don't want to be so much like an energy where I say things and it's like an arrow. I want to be more sphere, encompassing, more soft in my delivery of communication. And so I've been working with Lisa Erickson. So I'll tell you a little bit about what happened with me and Lisa Erickson. Lisa, I know her from the woman circles, and she reached out to me during the pandemic. She was like, I was in the bug, and I was, wondering if you would like to collaborate on a project. And that's how I ended up making a music video with her for her song Ek Ongar Guru Saprat, which is a mantra that like relieves like negative energy. And when you listen to it with headphones, it has isochronic tones and binaural energies that balances your brain hemisphere. So it puts you in it like removes negative energy and puts you in a positive energy. And when we worked together, she was like, oh my God, you've done beyond of what I wanted in a music video. How can I repay you? And I say, oh my God, like, what do you offer? And so this is like a gifting economy, right? Where she's like, well, I offer coaching. And I'm like, please, would you coach me? And so we've been having one-on-one sessions on Zoom. Me and her meet and we talk, and she works on what's going with me energetically. And then she goes, all right, we need to make another phone call, and you need to work with the elixir to release. There's a lot of untangling. So these are the things that we need to be open up. Like I love capitalism, and I also love the gifting energies that people forget that sometimes I could do something for you and you could give me something in return that you have. It doesn't necessarily always have to be about money, right? It could be about, all right, well, if I teach you how to do some herbs, can you teach me how to sew? Or, oh, you know how to cook that recipe really well, can you teach me how to do that secret recipe? Or, I mean, well, if it's a secret, you might not want to give it away, but can you do my accounting for me? I don't know, like things like that. Anyhow, so I was unboxing this beautiful elixir, and then two people came to visit me, and the most crazy, right? So my friend comes in, my friend comes with her mask, and I look at her and I'm laughing. I'm like, oh yeah, you're wearing a mask. I was like, can we hug? I'm healthy. You're healthy, right? Can we hug? And she goes, oh my God, I know. And she takes off her mask and she goes, I haven't hugged a human being besides my husband for over 2 months now. And like we were hugging, and we were like, we're hugging for like 20 seconds. Like it was just, this giddiness is just like, human touch is medicine. Let me tell you. I am like electrified because, well, before this I spray this, and this is the Love Magic elixir, and then I receive the love from my friend, and then I receive the love of my mom, and I'm just like, wow, human touch, human energy is legit powerful. Like, we can't, I understand we have to do social distancing, and I also believe that we also could feel secure around our friends and the people that we know. And you know what, like, I'm not afraid. Like, if she gives me corona, so what? I don't care. Like, it's fine, you know? Again, I'm not gonna go give it to somebody else who's afraid, right? Like, I respect those who don't want to hug, but man, I'm just sharing what happened to me. And so I want to continue reading a little bit of what this love magic elixir says. It says, aura is the layer of energy which interconnects all other subtle bodies and also acts like a shield, covering and protecting our more refined subtle bodies like the mental, emotional, and spiritual and astral bodies. So if we want our bodies to absorb oxygen properly from the environment, our environments need to be purified. Spraying the auric field with love magic purifies the electromagnetic fields and prana around and inside the subtle energy fields. It also gently deconstructs resistance built around the heart. When you add love into the mix, you begin to reconnect to your soul, radiate and magnify your energies, and become a beacon of attraction and manifestation. Beacon of attraction. Oh, goodness. Yes. Love magic addresses these biochemical imbalances as well as the complex mind-body-spirit connection. It's a conscious love technology that enhances self-worth, radiates love, radiates self-worth, self-love, and magnifies intuition. Oh yeah. Well, I am really excited about all of this. Thank you for watching, for those who have tuned in. Just sharing what happened to me today, because this is so cool, you know, just to be able to receive gifts. It's so nice. Oh yeah, it smells like mint and some lavender. Oh, I can't wait to make this lovely tea. Oh, it's tea time. Yeah. Did I show you lemon? Oh my god, I might have to give it a different name, because some, you know, I give plants names too. Like when they grow with me, I give them names. I put music, because they have spirit, you know. They're alive, you know, believe it or not. Oh, look at this gorgeous baby, and you are mine. All right, well, since we're here radiating love, here we go. Woo! It smells so soft and gentle, like a baby. Whew. It's so soft. I love it. I love how soft and powerful and potent. Like, it just, I'm so honored. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. I'm so excited. Well, you all have a blessed Friday from Melissa and I. Bye-bye.